In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate total hours work in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here three columns for start time, end time, and total hours work. What we're going to do is we're going to calculate the total hours work for each start and end time, then sum those numbers that we are able to get and determine that as the total hours work. So to do that, the first thing that we would like to do is to simply select and highlight the cells where we are going to input the results of the total hours work. So after selecting and highlighting, simply navigate to Format, and in Format, navigate to Number, and in Number, simply scroll down to Duration. After setting the cells as duration, you can now start calculating the interval for each time. So simply navigate to equal B2, since this is the end time, minus A2, then click enter. As you can see in here, from 7:02 a.m. up to 9:10 p.m., there is 14 hours of work. Simply do the same for the other rows in here. Simply input equal, then type the cell reference for end time, then minus cell reference for start time. So after doing that, what we're going to do next is we're going to solve for the total hours of this intervals in here. Simply click equal, sum, C2 and C4, then click enter. Now the total hours worked for the start time and end time in overall is 33 hours of work. And that's about it. That's how to calculate total hours of work in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.